So in this video, we're just going to be doing a quick show you guys how to access your accessibility settings in the iPhone and enable Assistive Touch. It's a cool feature. Has a lot of different tools inside of it that you can use on your iPhone, and I think it comes in handy for a lot of people. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're on the home screen of the iPhone right now. On my iPhone, I have the settings on the bottom. So we're looking for the settings. Depending on where it is on your phone, you're going to want to open Settings and then scroll down to Accessibility. Now, depending on which iOS, which software you're running, what iPhone you have, things like that, accessibility might be in the general option, in the general section. In iOS 13, it has a separate option for it, and it's right here. We're going to tap on that and look for the physical and motor section. You're going to tap the first option, which is touch. And right now, as you can see, Assistive Touch is off. We're going to turn that on and see what happens. So once you turn that on, this little bubble comes up. You can actually move it around your screen, which is pretty cool. You can move it wherever is convenient for you. I'm going to leave it right here for now. And once you tap on this, it's going to give you a whole bunch of options on your iPhone. So for example, you can press the home option, which acts as the home button, and this will take you to your home screen. You can use Siri. You can get to your notifications. You can go to your control center, click device, and it gives you a whole bunch more options to use. Volume up, volume down. You can go rotate the screen if you wanted to, a whole bunch of different options for that too. More, and as you can see, you can do screenshots, you can restart the iPhone, you can use Apple Pay, Shake, App Switcher, all that good stuff. So let's use that again and go back to the home option. There we go. So that's how you turn it on, and then to turn it off, you just go back into settings and turn off Assistive Touch. And there's also a whole bunch of options within Assistive Touch that you can look through and kind of figure out what you might want to use on your iPhone. And then even in the accessibility menu, there's a lot more options to use. I have some enabled right now, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that was just a quick overview of how to enable Assistive Touch, how to turn it off, how to access it, different features available. I hope you guys find that helpful. Let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, share with friends and family, all that good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and plenty more to come. Thank you.